With new launches made every day in beauty world, it's necessary for us to decide what products we actually need. In today's video, we are going to talk about 5 amazing beauty essentials. Hello everyone, I am Saubhagya Dixit and I welcome you all to the Saubhagya Dixit. So as you know, today we are going to talk about 5 amazing beauty products that you actually need in your day-to-day life. Also, I would like to tell you that I have been using these products for quite some time now and I absolutely love these. So without much further ado, let's get started with the video and I hope that you have already subscribed to this channel. The first product is MyGlam Iridescent Brightening Eye Cream. This eye cream by MyGlam is my absolute favorite. This is one product that I think that we all need due to increased screen time. It really helps with the dark circles and puffy eyes. This is iridescent gel-like eye cream that illuminates, moisturizes and smoothens the entire eye area. It should be used twice a day for best results. Using the ring finger, it should be massaged evenly and you will definitely see the results in few days. The second product is Lakme 9 to 5 Weightless Matte Mousse Lip and Cheek Color in the shade Rosy Plum. Well, this one is my absolute favorite and the best thing about this that it can be used as a lip color and a blush as well. It gives a pretty pink color to your cheeks and is not at all cakey. Brownie points to this product for its texture and it can be easily carried anywhere in your purse. The fragrance of this lip color is nice and fruity and gives a very fresh feeling. The third product is MyGlam 2-in-1 Liquid Eyeliner and HD Brow Powder. Eyeliner and brow powder are 2 most essential makeup products that we all need for any basic makeup. Also, the brush of this eyeliner is very pointy and nice, which makes it easier to draw the wings. If you have thin eyebrows like me, then this is a go-to product for you. All I do is fill in the gaps with this brush and it gives me a very natural look. The fourth product that we are going to talk about is MyGlam Pose HD Blush Tool. This product by MyGlam is one of my favorite and it gives a very natural look when applied. This blush consists of 2 shades, Coral and Punch, and the texture of both the shades is amazing. This blush can be used for a heavy party makeup and a very simple look as well. So this is one product that is a must-have in your makeup box. Another fascinating thing about this product is its packaging, which looks pretty cool and amazing. So I definitely recommend this product because I have been personally using it for quite a long time now and it's totally worth its cost. Fifth and the last product is this curly hair mist by Unwear Living. It is a multitasking leave-in hair mist with thermal protection to reduce frizz and flyaways for perfectly smooth and shiny hair. It is a deeply moisturizing spray that nourishes, detangles and protects your hair against chemicals or heat. If you have curly hair, you would understand the pain we go through while unraveling our curls. This product by Unwear Living is all natural. It does not contain any nasty chemicals like sulfates, parabens, silicones or GMO. The application of this hair mist is quite simple. All you need to do is spray it on the roots and detangle the frizz using your fingers. Massaging your hair with this curly hair mist imparts hydration to your hair and tames the frizz effortlessly. This was all for today's video. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. I'll meet you soon in my next video. Till then, see you. Take care. Bye-bye.